So I have a very cool keyboard related video for you guys today, and I got a very cool and long awaited Wong box in the mail. So for those of you not in the know, a Wong box is a 3D printed Artisan Keycap box. It is 7 by 7, so it has 49 spaces in total for all of your keycaps, and it is made in Canada by the very cool Wong's Tongues. Did I get that right? I was correct. It is made by the very cool Wong's Tongues. So, you can find this box in the link down below, or just go to search up MA keyboard, and you'll probably find it there. So, I ordered my Wong box in a very cool bright pink color because of course I have like a million pink keycaps, so I just wanted somewhere to put all of my caps in that matched the theme. So basically the first round of Wong boxes were done in a group buy style. So basically a group buy is when someone says, hey, I have a product, or hey, I'm interested in getting a factory to, or contracting a factory in order to make this product, in order to get the most bang for your buck. Basically, I am going to open up spaces to whoever wants to join, and if you pitch in money at the very end of it, we'll see how many people entered, and that's how many products that we're gonna get. So this group buy started in, I want to say, early April. I honestly don't really remember. It's been a little bit of time, like right around when quarantine was starting. So anyways, as I was saying before, the Wong box was done in a group buy style, and I entered in the group buy, and there's a few different options for the group buys. So basically you can choose the color of your box, as well as choose whether or not to include a display stand, and you can also choose the color of your display stand. So of course, me being me, I chose the pink box and the pink display stand. However, that I believe the pink all of the pink boxes and stands were made all the way until the very end, because I believe that is the one of the last color filaments that they were working on, because this is all 3D printed, and I'm sure for many of you who have worked with 3D printed stuff, it takes forever just to make a single tiny little layer in your 3D printed stuff. So of course I knew that it was going to take a while, and there was periodic updates on both the Instagram as well as the Discord server, so I wasn't too worried about there have been cases where some group buys never go through. They just grab your money and they disappear forever. But I was pretty confident in the fact that this wasn't one of those cases. So I did have her see there was a bunch of people getting their boxes, so I know it's kind of little bad etiquette. I went ahead and I reached out to Mr. Wong's Tongues, through a private message, and I'm like, hey, I know this takes a while, is there any update on my box? Because I saw that some people were getting their boxes shipped out, but they weren't receiving any tracking numbers. So I felt kind of bad after sending that, because I don't want to be that person who's a noob and saying hey, where's my group buy stuff, when group buys usually take sometimes half a year or a year or maybe even 2 years to get fulfilled. I didn't want to be that person, but at the same time my curiosity got the better of me, unfortunately. But fortunately for me, Mr. Wong's Tongues was very cool with it. He answered me within an hour. He said, hey, we got this many stuff done. We're getting this much stuff in soon. Here is an estimate. And then I said, okay. And I really liked this part on his, I really liked this on his part, that he actually reached out to me later he like reached out to me later and he's like, hey, you know, we're getting our pink stuff in. Yours will be the first pink box. And I'm like, okay, cool. He actually reached out to me without me reaching out back. And he's like, hey, just got your box done. Labels are getting printed. Yours will be picked up tomorrow. And, you know, it was just nice to get like a little update on his part without having to ask. So I really appreciate, you know, I really appreciate that. And so anyways, the moment that you guys have been waiting for. This is my very cool pink Wong box and display stand. So, as you can see, it is a very, very bright pink. I will be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be this bright of a pink color, but you know, I don't really mind it, like, because like in the pictures it did, like when I look back at the pictures, it does look like a very bright pink, but in my mind I was like, it's not gonna be that bright in person, right? But it is that bright in person. But as I said, I do not mind it because it contrasts pretty well with like some of my darker colored non-pink caps, and it also matches my little bongo cap. So cute. So it is a very sturdy box. It is 7 by 7, so 49 spaces in total. And as you can see, I already took the liberty of putting in all of my, or not all of my, because I still have like 2 evil boxes full of keycaps, so gotta cut down on the keycaps, or gotta move them around. But anyways, I managed to put in a big portion of my keycaps in here. And I really like this, that the lid fits like inside of it instead of like on the top of it. And you can actually remove the lid with any of these 2 spaces in the upper portion. And my lid has already gotten like a little dirty, so sorry about that. But honestly, like when I first got this, it looked like there was no lid on it at all. But yeah, mine just got a little bit dirty because I keep like, you know, opening the box and closing the box and like looking at the box and picking up at the box, you know. I just get very excited over all of my keycaps. And then this right here is the display stand that came along with it. So it is also 3D printed and also in the very same exact color. Basically it is at a little angle, so you just like slide your box on the top and it holds it up like that, so that way you can display your box somewhere and you can like kind of see some of the artisans that are in, you know, on this little like display stand right here, so you don't have to like constantly keep moving the box and stuff around. And it is like a very nice fit. It can like slide, you know, obviously, but I just like the way that the box fits on the little feet of it. Like, I think it's a nice angle, honestly. So, I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to get like a little like close-up shot of the Wong box. So, give me 1 second. And so yeah, that was my short little review for the Wong box. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my box. It is very affordable, very spacious, very cute color, and honestly, like if you're a beginner in the hobby or even just like someone who's been in the hobby for a very long time and you need something like cute and affordable to put all your caps in it, I would highly suggest it because like the lid fits on it like very nicely, like there's no warping in mine, so that's very good. The stand that it comes with is perfect for the box. It is like very sturdy, and You know, it just shipped out like very quickly. Even though it came in from Canada, it. Oh, where's my cow? It's like a very cool, like, you know, just like fun, colorful box, as well as a very cool beginner box. I know that there are some extras being sold right now on his website, as well as maybe, I want to say, a second group buy coming. I'm not super sure, but if anything, I'll either edit this video or put it down in the description box. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.